Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your PSB model and current firmware so you install the correct official package. Once done, back up the memory stick and save data to a PC. This protects game saves and homebrew. Make sure the battery is above 80% to avoid power loss during flashing. Next, download the official PSB firmware eboot. PBP for your model and copy it to ms0/psb/game/update. Now you are ready to run the official updater from the XMB to begin removing custom firmware. You run the official updater app from the PSB menu and follow the prompts exactly. This overwrites custom firmware files with official ones. Stay patient and do not interrupt power or remove the memory stick while the process runs. You could brick the device. If the updater completes, the system will reboot and show the official firmware version in system settings. If the installer fails or reports file errors, make sure MS0 is FAT32 formatted. Recopy the update folder and run the updater again. You finish by confirming the system settings reflects the official firmware, and then remove leftover homebrew folders from the memory stick to prevent accidental reactivation. Once done, restore your saved data from the backup you made earlier. Make sure you only copy compatible save files. If the PSB fails to boot after the update, the key troubleshooting tip is to use a known recovery method. A Pandora battery and magic memory stick can restore stock firmware, or consult a repair service if you're unsure. Do not repeatedly power cycle blindly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.